Three-bedroom hall kitchen apartment is what we are showing you today in Vile Parle East. We are in Azad Road. It's a new building, OC received project. You have gymnasium over here in this building. We are on the 10th floor. This is the top floor of this building. From this living area, you see the nice, lovely, amazing, beautiful view of the runway, the airport. You can see amazing planes over here. You have an amazing open view. This is the beauty of this flat. Yes, lovely L-shaped living and dining area over here. Let's move ahead to the kitchen area. As you can see, you have an amazing kitchen with parallel countertops over here. Left hand side, you also have the pipe gas connection. This is one of the most reputed developer in Vile Parle East. Coming to the first bedroom over here, which is there on the left hand side. Let's start with all the three bedrooms one by one. This is the first bedroom. From first, let's come to the second bedroom over here. This has a washroom attached to it. As you can see, the washroom is over here. You see, the developer has planned this very nicely. You have ventilations on both the sides so that you get fresh air. From first and second, let's move to the common washroom. The common washroom is there on the right hand side over here. And from common washroom, let's come to the last bedroom. This also has a washroom attached to it. The washroom is there on the right hand side over here. Yes, from here you have an amazing view of the sea as well. Right now because of climate you cannot see, but amazing full west open view you have. Once again I repeat, we are on Azad Road, Vile Parle East, new building, OC received project by one of the most reputed developers of Vile Parle East. For site visit, please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakker from Jishnurealtorss.